Hi friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of identity verification and document upload at the XM Group broker. Together. When we enter the trading cabin at this broker, in this section, you'll see an option that guides you to verify your account. You click on Verify Now and enter the personal information in this section, and then you click on the Continue option. In the next section, you'll complete the details related to your residential address. And after completing the details, you click on Add Financial Details, which is the next step. And in this section, you are asked about your investments. After answering, click Continue. Complete document upload details. Ensure ID documents show both sides. Both sides must be visible. Keep in mind that the identification documents you upload should show both sides. And the accepted photo format is mentioned in this section. The details regarding acceptable document uploads are clearly explained in this section, and both sides must be visible. The corners of the document should be clear, and the photo should be high quality and in focus. Now, we click on Start Verification, and a page will open that states you need to verify a government-issued document. Make sure all four corners of the document are visible, and the photo should be high quality and in focus. We click on Start Verification, and a page opens for them stating that it is for verifying a government document internally. Choose a well-lit location and get ready to record a selfie. In this section, click on the option that states you agree to verify your identity with a selfie. Here you select the document you want to use for identity verification. And then a page will open asking you to allow access to your system's camera. Scan ID documents to verify your address details. Once uploaded, documents are under review by XM Group Broker. Click Deposit to fund your account. In Profile, account verification is under review. After one business day, in the trading cabin, check Profile for complete verification. Future videos will cover depositing and withdrawing. Currently, by clicking on the Deposit option, you are able to top up your account in this broker. By clicking on the Profile option, as you can see, your account verification status is being reviewed. After one business day, when we enter the trading cabin in the XM Group broker, we click on the Profile option, and you will see that your verification and identity status is complete. In future videos, we will show you how to deposit and withdraw from this broker step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.